Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about effective feature engineering technique for a heart disease prediction with a machine learning. Heart failure is a chronic disease affecting millions worldwide. An efficient machine learning based technique is needed to predict a heart failure health status early and take necessary actions to overcome this worldwide issue. We proposed a novel principal component heart failure feature engineering technique to select the most prominent features to enhance the performance. While medication is the primary treatment, exercise is increasingly recognized as an effective adjunct therapy in managing heart failure. In this study, we developed an approach to enhance the heart failure reduction based on patient health parameter data involving machine learning. Our proposed research study has significant scientific contributions to the medical community. Now let's see the flow diagram of this project. Initially we are going to select a dataset. The dataset we are selected using a Kaggle website and the dataset named as a heart failure dataset. After that we are going to load a dataset to the pre-processing step. Pre-processing is nothing but removing null values and replacing those null values with a 0 and also cleaning a data, which means it will remove the irrelevant data also. So after a successful pre-processing we are going to split the data. Data will be splitted as a train and test in the ratio of 80:20. Most of the data will be in the train and the remaining will be in the test. The test data is used for the evaluation. After that, after data splitting, we are going to apply a technique such as principal component heart failure novelty for selecting a prominent feature which will help in prediction and also in giving higher accuracy. After that we are going to classify those data using a random forest and MLP. After classifying we are going to predict using any one of these algorithms, and also we are going to calculate the performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, F1 score. Now let's see how to run this project. So firstly we are going to load a dataset. The dataset consists of 18 rows and 12 columns. So this is displayed here. After that we are going to pre-process the data. So there is no missing value in this dataset. If the missing value is there in the dataset, it will replace those missing values with a 0. So it just display there is no missing values. After that we are going to do a label encoding. So before label encoding, the data is the data in the dataset is such as ATA and those columns in the strings. After that so these are the data after label encoding. Why we are doing a label encoding is to make the machine to read the dataset more accurately. So after we are going to split the dataset. These are the data in the x values and these are in the y values. So x is the data which is not consisting of labels, and y is the label values. After that we have applied algorithms such as random forest classification and also MLP. So accuracy produced by the random forest algorithm is 83 and MLP we have done this much of iterations. So accuracy produced by the MLP is also 83. So it is just a warning, and this is the comparison diagram for random forest and MLP. So we have given a single input and it is predicted as a heart failure patient.